Hi there, fellow sea glass lovers. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'm Jackie, and I'm so excited today because today is the day that my coaching app launches. And this is an app that teaches you how to create art with your sea glass. Now, if you joined me last week for my video, I told you my story of how I became a sea glass mosaic artist. How I went from having nice peaceful walks along the beach, collecting a few pieces of sea glass, to developing this crazy, insane passion for sea glass and sea glass mosaic art. And that has led to me writing a book, doing all sorts of YouTube videos, doing all sorts of patterns to teach people how to do sea glass mosaic art, to now having a coaching app. Now, if you want to learn some more about my app, you can click on the link that I've provided here, and then you can go and you can answer some questions about where you're at in your sea glass journey, whether you're just a beginner or maybe you're a really experienced artist looking for some more tips. You just say where you're at, what you would like to achieve, and the app will set up a bit of a lesson plan for you and then encourage you to go on every day. All you need to do is to commit maybe 10 minutes a day, and your creativity and your skills will grow and develop. I've really focused on teaching you the elements of art and the principles of art and design, and teaching you all the things that I've learned over a lot of trial and error in how to create art with my sea glass, so that you can create beautiful art with your sea glass. I really hope you give it a try. And don't worry whether you're just beginning or you've got tons of experience. I think you'll find something for you in this app. So a main goal of this coaching app is to encourage people to recognize the therapeutic value of doing art, especially sea glass mosaic art, because you're working with sea glass and it's bringing you back to the beach, which is a very calming and soothing place to be. So one of the things that this app does is that every day you have the opportunity to click onto the app and learn a lesson, but you also have the chance during that lesson to take a 5-minute beach break. So give yourself permission for 5 minutes every day to just sit and watch a video that is the sights and sounds of the beach, and it just encourages you to relax and zone out and have a few minutes of just quiet time for your own therapy to feed your soul a little bit. So I really hope you can benefit from that. It's a bit of a practice in becoming more mindful and becoming a little bit more open so that your creativity can flow when you're creating art with your sea glass. So in the meantime, I hope you make it out to the beach, and happy sea glass hunting.